Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is ago. This is an A1 level adverb that means in the past or before the present time. It's a small but incredibly useful word that helps us talk about when things happened in the past. To break it down, ago is used to indicate how far back in time something occurred. For example, you might say, I saw her a week ago, or the movie came out 10 years ago. It always follows an expression of time, making it a key part of everyday conversations when discussing past events. Some synonyms for ago include previously, earlier, and before now. For instance, instead of saying, I met him 5 days ago, you could say, I met him 5 days earlier. Another example might be, that happened quite some time previously. On the flip side, antonyms for ago include later, ahead, and afterwards, as these refer to the future or events that happen after the current moment. For example, instead of, I visited the park 2 days ago, you might contrast it with, I will visit the park 2 days later. In daily life, ago comes in handy when reminiscing about past events or marking specific moments. You could say, I started learning English 2 years ago, or they moved to this city a long time ago. It's a great way to add context to a story or clarify a timeline. Here are a few more examples to help you get the hang of it. The train left an hour ago. I graduated from school 5 years ago. They got married a decade ago. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. We learned that ago is a versatile adverb used to talk about the past, explored its synonyms like previously and earlier, and discussed its antonyms like later and ahead. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and join the fun. Before we go, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using ago and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with.
See you next time.